In this Fusion 360 video, we'll be taking a look at how to add additional details to your T-spline forms by inserting edges as well as deleting edges. So to get started, we'll create a form, and specifically we'll create a box. I'll place it on the bottom plane and draw out a rough 2D profile and dimension it to size. So we'll set the length and width to 100 millimeters. And we'll set the height equal to 200 millimeters. I'll also set the number of length faces equal to 4 and leave the width and height faces equal to 2. I'll click OK, and to insert an edge, I'll go under the Modify drop-down menu and choose Insert Edge. And now I can double-click on any one of these edges right here to select the entire loop. So I'll double-click to select the entire loop. The input for the Insert Edge tool tells Fusion what reference edge you'd like to add. Selecting a single edge adds one edge, while selecting a loop, in this case, adds a second loop. We can click and drag on this direct manipulator to adjust the position of the inserted edge. The value between 0 and 1 really represents the percent between this edge loop and the next edge loop. We'll go ahead and set this equal to 0.75, and we can change the insert side from single to both. Now you can see by inserting those additional edge loops, the form has definitely changed. To further explore this, I'll double-click on this edge to select the entire loop, and select Edit Form. Using the manipulator in the center, I'll perform a universal scale to scale this down in the middle, and click OK. You'll see the form is scaled in the middle, but maintains its shape along the top due to these extra edges that we inserted. To see what happens when we delete this, I'll double-click on one edge up here to select the entire loop, and to delete that edge under Modify, I'll choose Delete. That entire edge loop is deleted, and you'll see that the form drastically changes because I don't have that additional edge loop. Now there are many more tools for adding additional detail to a T-spline form, but knowing how to insert and delete edges is at the core of sculpting in Fusion 360.